So in this lab, we are going to guys configure the SGID, UID and the sticky bit. So how you can do it? I am going to log in with the root user first and then I will show you how you can do that. So here I am going to use the ls and -ld command to check for the permissions. Check the permission of the directory. So here is a directory has been created already, and so you can see the permission is read write execute, and read permission is implement on the images folder, and the owner is a root and the member group is a graphics department. Okay, so these are the permissions. So I am going to set this permission on the newly created files. So first I will check you there is any file or not. So how can I check this? I can check this by using the ls command. So I am using the ls and /images. Is there any file? Is there no any file? So first I am going to implement the group ID SGID, set GID. Okay, so I have told you already, when you set this by using the chmod command, you can set this G plus S and then folder name is a images, so it is setted. How can you check out? So you can check by using this. So can you check here? Inside this right now you can check here, this is RWX and RWX then R, but here RWX, but right now you can see RWS. So here is a S is a set and it is the part of the group, because this part of the group, this is other, this is honor, in between the group. So this permission, which permission has been set? There is a permission set SGID. This permission has been set here. So whatever the file will be created inside this folder, it will be inherited by this permission. Okay. So now I have displayed the permission. Now I am going to switch the another user. Like first I am going to check the groups. This is the owner of which group. So groups here, and this is the member of the group. Okay. Now I am going to move on another. I am switching with the another user. The user name is a rstan lay. So it is switches. Now I am going to check the groups of this here. This is the member of the two groups. One is a RS Stanley, another is a graphics department. Okay, so I am moving inside the /image inside this directory, and here I will create a one file. So what is the name of the file? Any file you can create. I am giving the here name is a file4 and hit enter. Right now you will say I am using the ls-l command. So you will say there is a permission is read write and the read for the group and the read permission for the other, not anything else. Okay, so now I am going to back exit. Here I am going to back exit on this direct logout, means I am on the root user. Right now I am going to enable the sticky bit to protecting from the file. How I can enable this? By using the T command, means sticky bit. Sticky bit I have told you already, sticky bit is a type of the protection. Only the owner or the root can delete that file. So I am going to implement this chmod plus T over the images. Okay, now I have implemented this permission. Now because this file has been created by the RS Stanley, now I am going to move or switching another user. Its name is a J Robinson. So I am switching by using this Robinson does not exist. So what? Okay, J Robinson. So, and I am moving inside the images. First I am going to check you like groups. So Robinson is a member of the group graphics department. Similar, the RS Stanley was the member of the graphics department. So both are the member of the graphics department. If the RS Stanley has been created a file, so it can be deleted by the Robinson. But Robinson cannot delete the file. Reason is that because I have enabled the sticky bit. So let me check. I am going to inside the images. And right now I am going to try the file. Here is the file already has been there, file 4. Now I am going to remove this file, file 4. And I am getting the here means, do you want to delete this? Yes, I want to delete. So operation not permitted. Even the both are the member of the same group. Both user, the member of the same group, is still the J Robinson able not to delete that particular file. Okay, got it? So that is the benefit of that. Root can delete and owner can delete the file. Like I am switching again as a RS Stanley. And remove the file exists inside the images and file 4. So it is deleted. Only the owner can delete. Either who can delete? The root can delete. So similar, you can implement this file in this session. So in the next lab, I am going to show you how you can enable the immutable flag. So when you enable this flag, so nobody can, even root cannot do any type of the modification. Other cannot do the modification, other user cannot do, even root also cannot do the modification inside the file. Neither it can delete the file or nor it can modify the file. So how you can do that? Right now I am going to create a new file, touch, inside the images, and readme this file. I have created this file, and right now I am going to check the ls-l and /images to check for the permissions. Here is a read, write, read and read permission. Okay, so I am going to enable the attribute, change the attribute, immutable attribute. So chatter command plus -i means plus I, immutable attribute going to be add. Where you want to add? In any file you can add. I am adding on the readme.file. So I have added this. Okay. Now because I am the owner, like root is a owner of this file. So let me check if I will able to do the changes or not. So, or you can remove this file or not, means root user can remove this file or not. So first is, if there is any attribute, so if you want to check the attribute, so you can use command ls ls-enter command /images and then give the file name here, the readme, and you can see here the immutable attribute is enabled on this device, on this particular file. So if I will remove, because I am the root user, so I have the capability to remove this file, like remove rm/images and readme. Okay, because I am the root user, I am the owner user, so I should remove this file, but I cannot. You can see the operation not permitted. Even it is the root user. It is the root user, even still root user don't have permission to remove this. Reason is a attribute. Attribute has been implemented here. So if you want to remove the attribute, so how you can do that? By using the -i. -i will remove the attribute, and if you want to check here, you can see there is a no immutable attribute is there. So if this attribute is not there, so you can remove this file by using the same. I will try to remove this file, and right now I have removed. There is a no file. Okay, so this is how we can implement the sticky bit, how we can implement the immutability or the chatter. So I have show you how you can do it.